Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Express for high converting product creatives, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL, adobe.com/express. Press enter to navigate to the Adobe Express homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to a new login page. Here, you can choose to log in with an Adobe ID, Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook account. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your email address in the provided field. Then, click Continue to proceed. Next, enter your password in the password field. Click on the blue sign in button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. If you're using a Google, Apple, or Facebook account, select the respective option and follow the prompts to sign in. Once logged in, you will land on your Adobe Express dashboard. From here, you can start creating high-converting product creatives. Explore the various templates available under the Templates section. Select a template that best suits your product. Customize the template to reflect your brand and product details. Utilize the intuitive design tools to enhance your creative. Save your work periodically using the Save option. Once satisfied with your design, click on Download or Share to finalize your creative. You are now able to log into Adobe Express and create stunning product creatives with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.